total revenue function and the maximum total revenue. In the previous video, we have seen the price function, which is P is equal to minus BD plus A. So this is a negative slope relationship. So in the x-axis is the demand and the y-axis is the price. Again, price is independent, but in economic world, the price is plotted in the y-axis. So this is the price versus the demand relationship. Now in this video, we're going to find out the total revenue. So the total revenue is the price per unit times the number of units sold or the demand. So times the demand. So we got the price function, which is minus BD plus A times the demand D. So we so there's gonna be BD square plus AD. That's the total revenue. As you can see, this is more like a parabola type equation. So it's gonna look something like this, something like this. So in the y-axis here is the total revenue, and again x-axis is the demand. So now, so if you want to find out the maximum revenue, so as you can see here, right here, the revenue is maximum. So at this demand at this point, say D hat, so this is where the maximum revenue occurs. Simply, we can, to find this, we can differentiate the total revenue with respect to the demand and set that to 0 to find out the maximum find out the demand for which the maximum revenue will occur. So let's do that. So simply we can differentiate the total revenue with respect to the demand. So then we find minus 2BD plus A, and then you set that to 0 to find out that 0 slope line, parallel line to the x-axis. As you can see here, this is where the max occurs. So then solve for D here. So then A by 2B, that's the demand for which you find the maximum total revenue. Now let's name this equation. So let's say this price equation is equation number 1, the total revenue is equation number 2, and then this, the demand for which the maximum revenue occurs, is the equation number 3. And if we plug this thing in this equation, we'll find out the total revenue. So the total, the maximum revenue. So we're gonna replace that D with A by 2B whole square plus A, then A by 2B. So then we find that A square by 2B, so minus A square by 4B actually, plus A square by 2B. So then the maximum total revenue, maximum revenue occurs, and the value of that is A square by 4B. That could be your equation number 4. In the next video, I'll show you how to find the total maximum profit, which is not the same point for which the maximum revenue occurs. So